be walking you how to buy stars easily from your Starsovbot. Okay, here is Telegram, and then I'll be heading over here quickly. You click on it, it will tell you the number of stars that you want to buy. You can select. Here we have a minimum of 50 stars, so I want to buy stars. I want to buy 100 stars, so I'll come here and select the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 100 stars. I'll click on it, and then it take me here to give me options. These are the options that is going to give me, either to buy on turn, or to buy through the USDT, or to buy through the lava or the rally. So I am going to choose the turn because I prefer using the turn to buy it. So here you can see, here's my username, and here's the payment details. Here's the turn, and here's the number of is the amount that I'm going to buy my 100 stars for. Here's 0.3. So, and here's my address, my turn address. So I am going to insert this. Do remember, guys, always remember to insert this when you are making your transaction so that you do not lose your asset. Okay, so I come here, click on pay in app, then click on here. Okay, guys, you can see here, this is the comment section. It has automatically appeared. So I'll come here and continue my transaction, and then here's my wallet. You can see main wallet. So here I'll click on confirm, and then give it the permission. So guys, okay, I've automatically bought it. I've automatically bought it. So whenever I click on it, it take you to this page, and then give a little time to load. Then after that, it will now tell you that you have to wait for 60 seconds before your stars will appear. So you can see that it's showing error because I have already purchased it before. So we are just going to go back from here. We'll have to go back. You can see here now that 0.3 ton has been sent, and here is my address that I used to buy it. So I'll now go back. I'll now go back to my Telegram, and then I'll go back to my profile. You can see the message here. It has been successfully sent. So I'll go back to my profile to see it if it has appeared. You come down to profile, click on it. Sorry, you have to go back. Then go here. You head down over to your settings. You click on it. Then you scroll down a little bit. You can see 100 stars have appeared. So guys, that is how to purchase your stars. Okay, if you have any question, kindly comment at the comment